Hi everybody, today's video is a vintage Scotty camper, and let me see here, it is for sale. So we're going to go inside and I'm going to show you. The owner does not want to be on camera, so she is going to stand next to me and talk, and we'll ask her the questions. Look at this, how super cute. Okay, do you want to tell me what year is it?
This is a 1969 Serro Scotty.
And it's not a gaucho because that's a permanent bed, right?
Right.
Okay. And the noise you hear is the air conditioner. It's super hot here today.
Yeah.
We're at a vintage camper rally. So the fridge is also an awesome color, and the microwave. And the cabinets are teal. So is there anything that this camper, since it's for sale, is there anything that you want to say about it?
Well, most all of it has been renovated. The table right there is original.
Let me show that.
Okay, the light above the table is the original gas light that's been transferred to electric.
Okay. Now, does this go down into a bed?
Yes, it does.
Okay. And then you have storage underneath.
Storage underneath both of the booths.
And it's got the drop floor, which is typical in Scotty's. Now, is there any work that needs to be done to it? Is there, because people would say, you know, is there any leaks? Is there anything they need to know about?
There are no leaks whatsoever. It has the cap on the roof, so it's guaranteed not to leak.
Okay.
It does have a bathroom with the toilet only.
Can I open?
You can. We're just using it for storage on this trip because we're not using the bathroom.
Okay, so there's the toilet. Now, does it have a black tank, or do you have to be a camper hookup?
Yeah, it has to
has to hook up to sewer. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's good to know. Yeah. But you do have a toilet.
Yes. The toilet's original. The sink is original. The cooktop and the oven are original. Everything else has been redone.
So as far as the toilet goes, if you were ever like on a boondock or something, you could just get one of those portable things, that you can take with you, or use a porta potty, or a bucket. Yeah, there's lots of options, or dig a hole.
Yeah. Well, we brought our little porta toilet with us with the privacy tent, but we're right across the street from the bathhouse, so that wasn't necessary.
Yeah, so the bathroom is right over there. So that's another option.
Oh yeah.
All right, let me see the sink. Here's the original sink. It's a very pale, soft aqua. Very cute. All right, guys, I am going to do some still shots, and make sure you hit that thumbs up and get in touch with her if you are interested in buying it. And I will ask her to let me know if she does sell it, so I can mark it in the title that it's sold, so she doesn't get a bunch of calls after it's already sold. So if it doesn't say sold in the video title, then I guess it's still available. And we'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned. We're going to put the still shots on here. Bye, everybody. Totally forgot to ask about the car. Check this out. Are you towing it with this car?
No, we are not.
No, this is just here for fun.
It's just here for decoration.
They tow with that. Yeah. This is decoration. This perfectly matches my camper. And I think if it would tow it, I would need it. But of course, I couldn't afford it. But oh my gosh, look at the license plate. It says too cute. So I'm going to show you the information on this. It is a prototype car. So you can pause that to read it. But so adorable. Perfect color. Oh, and it drives on the opposite side. There you go. Look at that.
And it even has a little back seat just big enough for our dog to ride in it.
I don't know how good you can. Let's see. There you go. Because the roof is off. Look at that.
Yeah, this is called a fixed convertible. And it manually pulls down and goes into this compartment.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. And then this is the great big trunk.
Great big being sarcastic. All right, that is so cute. All right, guys, we'll go back. I'm going to put those still shots in now. See you in a little bit on the next video. Bye.